Hi, everybody. Welcome to week one of Global Health. This week we are going to dive right in and we are covering chapters 1 and 2 in the textbook. We will be reviewing what global health means, and this really is a holistic approach to examining the many socioeconomic, environmental, political, and other contributors to health and well-being. Many of the core values that guide global health can be summarized by the acronym PACES. This stands for Population, Action, Cooperation, Equity, and Security. You'll be reviewing each one of these concepts and how they all play a part in global health. The whole goal of global health is to improve the health of the world's people. Health is comprehensive. It encompasses physical, mental health, as well as the social connections that facilitate this. As you move through the text, you will learn about primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention strategies as they relate to access to health interventions around the world. Global health serves as an important role in enabling international trade and travel, fostering safety, security, and promoting sustainable development. While using the PACES lens, excuse me, it's important to identify what are the priorities in global health. We know that not every person or country has access to the same resources for all global health goals. So how are those priorities established? This is dependent on each funding agency and the global health leaders' agendas. Some focus on health and nutrition, while others support education and economic development. We'll spend a larger part of the week discussing the Sustainable Development Goals. These are a set of 17 goals endorsed by the United Nations. These began in 2015 and aim in 2030 to end poverty, protect the planet, and promote prosperity and peace. The SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, treat health as both a necessary prerequisite to and an outcome of economic growth. While learning about health, it is also important to understand morbidity, impairment, and disease. So this week, and we'll move over to the module, you can find every week module in the module. So every week you'll select whatever week you're on, and we'll go to week 1. There will be an overview of what's happening in the week, when the assignments are due, and what the assignments are due. So as you can see, you'll be responsible for reading both Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 and taking both associated quizzes. You'll have 3 attempts to take each quiz, and the highest score will be applied in the gradebook. In addition to the quizzes, you will also have a discussion board to complete this week. So before you write the discussion board, sorry if you can hear my dogs in the background, before you complete the discussion board, you want to go to this site. No, we can click on that. And go ahead and X out of, let me X out of that. Okay, so, and under UN goals, you're going to click Start. So please do not use any notes, books, websites. Truly, the purpose of this is to let you see what you do and what you don't know to help establish a baseline of your knowledge. There is no pass-fail for this quiz. You are graded on, your grade on this item is not tied to whatever grade you get on this quiz in this website. So once you have a score, you will then write your discussion board post. So as you can see here, you have to include these areas within your discussion board. So you must include what your final score was, your personal reaction, and this is 1 to 2 paragraphs, which include, were you surprised by your score? Why or why not? What was the most surprising thing you learned? And you should select 1 to 2 areas. And what was the least surprising? And you'll pick 1 or 2 and explain why. And then finally, you'll respond to at least 2 peer posts in a meaningful and constructive way. And this is not great post. I absolutely agree with everything you said. It really is needing to be something that drives the conversation forward. Something that you can identify really resonated with you because of your own experience and you're able to articulate that to that person. or it is, maybe something where you don't necessarily agree with something they said, which for this specific discussion board, it is very subjective. It's individual. It's this person's opinion. And so there shouldn't be anything that you disagree with, but you could connect it to what your most surprising or least surprising things were. So all of these assignments are due at the end of the week, Sunday at 11:59 p.m. In addition, you will also want to complete the educate engagement verification, which if you click on the course module, this is right here. So this is a requirement of all students. This is how they are verifying people's attendance in any particular course. And this is due Thursday of this week. So you will want to make sure that you have read the syllabus, reviewed the course content, um, identified what you'll be learning this week, and then you'll go through and take the quiz. Okay, so every new announcement will be found on this announcement page. You'll click into course modules for every single week. Week 1 right here, you'll be able to complete the quizzes and complete the discussion board assignment right through here. I hope you all have a really great week, and please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.